gusto maging best views? Isa muna ang tatawagin ko all the way from Team Borat Borat! And for our second placer, picture po tayo together with our ito. Kaya ko maglakad, kaya ko mag-adjust yung microphone. Yan. And now for our second placer, let's give it up! Our second placer, best views for Artworks Cup Bangkal Edition Season 1 is from Batam Extension! At sino nga ba sa apat na natitira ang ating best views for this year, 2025? Sinong bet nyo maging best views? Sino? Sino? Our best views for this year, 2025 is... Again and again. For the Artworks Cup Bangkal Edition Season 1, best views for this year, 2025 is...